Hi team, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Harley-Davidson FLSTC. It's a heritage. This is the price we're selling it for. The bike, as I said, it's in absolutely perfect condition. The forks are clear coated from OEM. There was upgrade, actually that's why it looks like brand new. The paint is perfect, the chrome is perfect. All stock again. Floorboards, 103 engine on it. The backrest. These are the leather soft pads. The very comfortable seat on it. Of course, it has a keyless start. Has an ABS. That's the mileage in kilometers. Yeah, it shows the gears as well when it's running, and shows the RPMs when it's running too. So that's pretty much everything. Like, this bike is perfect. See, the windshield is a quick release, so it's easily removable. So I'm gonna send you this video. Toe heel shifter, both. It's very clean. Again, has a little charging cable here to charge it. Let's look here. Usually it's just a dirt, it's not scratch or damages, so perfect. I'll send you this video, and you'll have all my contact information, so send me the pictures of your trade-in. Thank you again.